Stands for extraverted, sensing, thinking, judging. ESTJs or the executives are hardworking traditionalists, eager to take charge in organizing projects and people. Orderly, rule-abiding, and conscientious, ESTJs like to get things done and tend to go about projects in a systematic, methodical way. They want to bring structure to their surroundings. They value predictability and prefer things to proceed in a logical order. When they see a lack of organization, the ESTJ often takes the initiative to establish processes and guidelines so that everyone knows what's expected. ESTJs are conventional, factual, and grounded in reality. For the ESTJ, the proof is in the past. What has worked and what has been done before. They value evidence over conjecture and trust their personal experience. They look for rules to follow and standards to meet and often take a leadership role in helping other people meet expectations as well. They concern themselves with maintaining the social order and keeping others in line. ESTJs are dedicated, strong-willed, direct and honest, loyal, patient and reliable, but also too stubborn, judgmental and close-minded. In romantic relationships, they are protective and loving, but because of their nature, touchy-feely overly affectionate way of showing love is not for them. They approach relationships like they do approach everything, realist and traditional. With ENTJs, ESTJs are among the highest earning personality types of Myers-Briggs personalities. They are natural leaders and do great in school, family life and in the business world. Characteristics that describe ESTJs are responsible, hardworking, practical, punctual, organized, social, logical, traditional, leader, loyal, grounded, confident, gregarious, critical, objective, decisive, concrete, efficient, disciplined, dependable, sacrificial, committed, talkative and direct. ESTJ makes up 9% of the general population. 11% of men and 6% of women are ESTJs. And now, let's look into celebrities and fictional characters who are ESTJs. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to learn about other 15 personality types, check out my channel.
je peux vous le rendre, Seigneur, Seigneur, car avec les soldats, oui, les toreros peuvent s'entendre. Pour plaisir, ils ont les combats. Le cirque est plein ce jour de fête, le cirque est plein d'automates. Le spectateur est dans la tête, le spectateur s'est en peur, aggraffe la cause. Apostrophe, puis c'est ta page, pour c'est jusqu'à l'empereur, car c'est la fête du courage, c'est la fête des chiens de guerre. Allons, en garde, allons, allons, toréador, en garde. Toréador, toréador. Et songe bien, oui, songe combattant, que le noir te regarde, et que l'amour t'attend, toréador, l'amour t'attend. On fait silence, à quoi se passe-t-il? Ludicrous, le taureau se lance en bandissant auditorie. Il s'élance, il entre et frappe, en chevelure, entraînant en pique d'or. Ah, bravo taureau! En secouant ses banderilles, plein de fureur il coule, le cirque est plein de sang. En s'essouffle, on franchit le cri, c'est en deux maintenant. Allons, en garde, allons, allons, toréador, en garde. Toréador, toréador. Et songe bien, oui, songe combattant, que le noir te regarde, et que l'amour t'attend, toréador, l'amour t'attend, toréador, toréador.